What's up everybody, happy holidays, welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. If you're a subscriber, welcome back as always. A quick review today of a triple laptop screen extender. If you are a student, if you work from home, or if you work on the go in a library or a coffee shop, this is a fantastic way to expand the screen real estate you have available on your laptop so you can get more work done simultaneously. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this, show you everything that comes inside, tell you about the features that I've enjoyed the most about this product as I've tested it over the past little while, and then let you know whether or not I think it's worth picking one up for yourself. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment so that you don't miss any future comment. But enough about that, let's dive into taking a look at this triple laptop screen extender. First things first, the box, it comes very well packaged, nice hard cardboard, everything is extremely well protected. Opening up the box, we've got a piece of foam here on top, and the first thing you're gonna find is actually something that was a little surprising to me. I didn't know this was gonna be there, but there's an included kind of faux leather carrying case right here. It's super nice if you wanna take this on the go. You can see how thin the laptop packs up right there. There's even a pocket on the front to put your cables. Now, pulling out the actual laptop screen extender right here, we've got another little Velcro strap around the screen to prevent it from opening up. We can kind of set that off to the side, and we'll take a closer look at this up close in a minute. Also in the packaging, you're gonna get an array of cables, and one of the things that I really like about this system is that it can work with pretty much any laptop. If you've got an older laptop like me with only a single USB-C, you can still use your HDMI output and a power cable to use this triple screen extender. So it's really nice. You get a pair of USB-Cs to USB-C, a pair of USB-C to USB-A for power, and then a USB-C to HDMI, okay? So lots of different cable options. You're of course also going to get your user manual, and then you're gonna get a quick start guide in there as well. Now, let's talk about the screen extender itself. It folds up into a relatively compact size. To use this, you just open up one side. We've got another foam protection piece right there, and then open up your other side, and that is how it's going to look on your computer. Now, I've got my laptop here. I've actually got this upside down right now. Let me flip that over. Around the back, if I flip that, you're gonna see we've got a little bit of a kickstand here. All you have to do is fold this out, twist the bottom, and you can pull this down to whatever length works best for your laptop, tilt it back, and then it will keep your screens at the appropriate angle. Super, super nice. So if I grab my laptop here, turn that on, and then I just slot that here in the middle. All you do to fit this onto your laptop, first you wanna make sure you pull out, there's a top hanger piece right here that will sit on the top of your screen. Then you just grab the sides, spread them out like that, and then latch it on to the edges of your computer, set it down. I like the middle height the most. Tilt your screen back, and there you go. Now, I'm gonna show you this from the front in just a moment, but let's grab our cables. I'm gonna use this HDMI to USB-C, again, because I only have a single USB-C cable on my laptop. So this one is gonna come over to my right screen. And make sure this goes on the HDMI port. Perfect. I'm gonna grab, let's see, this is a power cable. This is just a USB-A to USB-C. And we're gonna plug that USB-C into here. And then this one just into an into a USB-A so I can get some power. And then lastly, I'm gonna grab one of these USB-Cs to USB-Cs. And this is going to go from my left screen right here to the USB-C on my computer. And this will do power and video to the first screen. Okay, so let me log into my computer. I'll flip this around and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, and this is what it looks like from the front. You can see I've got my word processor right here, some video running on this side, and just a background image on this side. I'll get some close-up shots so you can see that the detail on these is quite great. This is a 1080p 14-inch monitor. The clarity is really nice, good off-axis viewing angles. Each of the monitors has its own adjustable settings, so you can click this button up here on the top and get into contrast, brightness, saturation, picture mode, all that kind of stuff. Like you saw, setup is pretty much a breeze. Doesn't matter if you only have one USB-C, two USB-Cs, you can use this triple screen extender with most laptops made in the past 5-7 years or so. Plug and play, no need to download drivers or anything like that. You may have to configure which screen is on the left or on the right, but apart from that, that's all you need to do. It's very simple to pack this back up. All you gotta do is put that kickstand back in, pull apart the screen to pull it off of your laptop, and then collapse it back down by folding it, slip it in the carrying bag, and you're on your way. All in all, if you are looking to up your productivity, have more screen space available to work with, I highly recommend this triple screen extender. That's gonna be it for today. If you haven't already, subscribe, ring the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment so that you don't miss anything coming out in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.